The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, operational tactical and dummy aviation and artillery fire of the Zapad group of forces inflicted a fire damage on enemy manpower and military equipment in the areas of Sinkovka, Timkovka, Olshana, Kislovka in Kharkov region, as well as Novoselovskoye and Artyomovka in Lugansk People's Republic. More than 35 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 2 motor vehicles, and 1 MT-12 anti-tank gun were neutralized. Moreover, an ammunition depot was annihilated close to Staritsa in Kharkov region. In the Krasny Liman direction, ground attack aircraft, army aviation, artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Center group of forces engaged the units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Nevskoye, Chervonaya Dibrova in Lugansk People's Republic, and Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. The enemy has suffered losses of over 100 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, 3 pickup trucks, and 1 Akatsia self-propelled howitzer in this direction in the past 24 hours. In total, 404 airplanes, 226 helicopters, 3,620 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,456 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 1,074 combat vehicles equipped with MLRS, 4,456 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,177 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 610 servicemen in a single day, including 7 tanks, 1 jet fighter as well as 6 artillery units and 1 special equipment. In total, Kremlin lost 172,340 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,609 tanks, 6,966 armored fighting vehicles as well as 306 jet fighters and 291 helicopters. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 399 days. There is still no peace talk agreements between two sides. Ukrainian side also shows footage of special forces destroyed 2 counter-battery warfare radars with the help of a drone. President Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky swears to repel Russia occupiers. Ukraine has not wasted a single week during the full-scale war. We are constantly strengthening our state, our defense and security forces, our confidence in advancing towards victory, Zelensky said on March 29.
Бажаю здоров'я, шановні українці. Короткий звіт про сьогоднішній день. Взяв участь у глобальному саміті за демократію по запрошенню президента Байдена. Це один із найбільших представницьких майданчиків захисту нашого устрою вільного народу. Вже другий такий саміт. Загалом у нас не так і багато у світі настільки представницьких можливостей.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.